What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when games in your Steam launcher are not opening properly on your PC. If you're trying to launch a game on Steam and nothing happens, or you get an error, don't worry. There are a few reliable solutions that can help you to get things working. The first thing to try is verifying the integrity of the game files. Open up your Steam client and go to your library. On the left side, you'll see a list of all of your installed games. Find the game that's not launching. Then right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties menu, go to the Installed Files tab on the left, and then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks all of the game files to ensure they're intact and not corrupted. It might take a few minutes, depending on the game size. Once it's finished, Steam will let you know if any files were replaced. Try launching the game again to see if this solved the problem. If verifying the files didn't work, the next step is to clear the Steam download cache. Sometimes, cache data can interfere with game launches. To do this, go to the top left of the Steam window, click on Steam and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Downloads in the left sidebar and select Clear Download Cache. You'll be prompted to confirm, just press OK. Steam will automatically restart and you will need to log back in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go back to your library and try launching the game again. If the game still won't open, you should check if your graphics card driver is up to date. Games often rely on the latest drivers to run smoothly, so outdated drivers can cause issues. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application to check for updates. Or visit the NVIDIA website to download the latest drivers. If you're using an AMD graphics card, you can use the AMD Radeon software, or visit the AMD website for the latest drivers. Once updated, restart your computer and try launching the game again. Another general but effective solution is simply restarting your computer. Restarting can refresh the system and fix minor glitches. Click on the Start button and then the power icon and choose Restart. Once your computer restarts, open Steam and try launching the game from your library to see if it works. If none of these solutions have worked so far, the final option is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Go to your library, find the game on the left-hand side, right-click on it, select Manage and choose Uninstall. Confirm that you want to uninstall the game, and once it's uninstalled, the game will still appear in your library, but with an Install button next to it. Click Install to re-download the game. Then try launching it again once the installation is complete. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.